My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Video Finder. This is a special extension designed specifically for Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it can present video links of current page. In one click you can open the video in a new page. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that this extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed into Google Chrome browser, you will start receiving the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. So you should get rid of this Video Finder extension immediately by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.